today I'm not going to do any foundation because I feel like I'm actually having a pretty good skin day. So I think we're just going to kind of like spot conceal and let my skin breathe. If there's a lot of background noise interference, I'm really sorry. It's my AC unit and it has to run. It's summer in Arizona, so. Next is brows, and I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof. I already took both caps off because I'm going to be using both. And this is shade 6. It's like black, essentially. I really like Benefit's eyebrow products. I feel like they're very creamy. So for anyone who has been keeping up with me that does not know, I just recently got employed at Sephora in Kohl's. So it's a little different than working for a standalone Sephora, but I am really enjoying myself there so far. And that's definitely part of the reason why I've been so MIA lately too. Just been a little busy trying to navigate that. My son is starting school soon for the first time, and that has been a journey in itself. Also, my mommy heart is sad. I've been really soaking up this time that we have together before he starts going to school. And now I'm gonna clean them up with a little bit of my Fenty Eavesdrop. I feel like it always happens that when you start a job at a new place that you want to spend money there, usually if it's one of those kinds of jobs, you know, like a retail or even like food or something. But I've definitely kind of gone all out. Nothing like real crazy, but I did get 2 eyebrow products, my foundation, a new lip product. I've been kind of going for more of like a thin eyebrow. I feel like that's, I don't know if it's coming back. I don't know if it's popular, but it's what I'm enjoying for myself right now. And then to lock it in, I'm taking a little bit of my mini Got to Be Glued. Yes, this is hair gel, but it works so good for brows. Just gonna kind of gently comb that through. This can get kind of like emollient. Is that what the word I'm looking for? I'm not even sure that's the word I'm looking for. But it can like saturate very quickly and kind of overtake the brows. And I literally hate that so much. Like, of course I want my eyebrow hairs to stay together but not clump together. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so for today's look, I fell in love with this look that Bewitching Beauty did. Oh, it's so fucking cute. So I need to make it happen immediately. I also thought it would be a good look for work because it's kind of vibing with that black and white. Our uniforms for work are all black. So far I am actually just loving my job so much, and I look forward to going to work. I feel like the job tasks are pretty easy and straightforward. I haven't really worked that much. I just started so recently. My coworkers are wonderful. My manager is amazing. All of my leadership inside of Sephora is really great. It was also like really nice to get to know the brand a little bit better because I already knew that Kohl's is a company that really cares about their employees. But Sephora is too, so it makes a lot of sense that they've collaborated in this way. I think it was smart. I realized I forgot to tell you what this is. This is the Urban Decay Priming Potion. I get shade Eden because it has a little color. The original priming potion is colorless, but I like this because I feel like it matches my skin tone really well, and it also kind of helps like cover up like the blue pigments that I get in my like dark circles. Speaking of dark circles, we love aging, and speaking of aging, I just had my 26th birthday. I'm excited for this year. I think it's gonna be good. Like, I've already had high hopes for 2024 anyways, and I feel like it's been a pretty decent year so far. Just a lot of big changes coming up. I want to match this color pattern like as well as I can because I think that this look is so beautiful and captivating, and I want to nail it. Pulling out my So Jaded palette. She is so jaded. I mean, look at her. I've stolen shades out of her. I've depotted her. I love this palette. This is one of my all-time faves. Pretty much all my makeup brushes are dirty right now, so it was kind of struggle bus trying to find a good one to pack with. Had a set of brushes already set aside to be washed like forever, so I've already not been using all of my brushes, like, because those other ones need to be washed like right now, and I never got around to it. So now my other brushes, the rest of my makeup brushes, need to be washed, and I have a very small amount that aren't in dire need of cleansing, so I'm gonna need to make that happen soon. Also, I don't have like a single sponge. which is also kind of what's motivating this like no makeup or no foundation makeup look today, but we'll see. Cute. I do want to darken it a little bit. I dipped into this shade Ecliptic and this shade Descend from the Blend Bunny Ellis palette. Still one of my top faves. I use her all the time. But I'm hoping that mixture, that like berry red and the brown will kind of do something for this. I don't know. Back in with that other blending brush and a little bit of that first red shade we used, Garnet, from the So Jaded palette. So another thing that I've done for myself recently that I'm really excited about is I just upgraded my MacBook. I had a 2019 Air and I just upgraded to a 2020 Pro. It's obviously not like the brand newest, but it's new to me and I'm excited. Already it runs and works so much better than my Air, just for like what I need it for. The Air was really great in its own way too, but I have a better processor in this one, an i7 instead of an i5. I'm gonna reapply this and then we're gonna go in with the cow print. Just dipped into the shade Entity in the Ellis palette. Love you, boo! Nice. That was good. I feel like this eyebrow looks a little weird. I'm not exactly sure why. I feel like it's making me look a little flat. But don't look, please. Don't look too hard. I went and got water so I can do the cow prints on my eyelid now with water activated eyeliner. This is my old Suva Beauty Doodle pot. It's literally in foul condition. I don't even usually show it off on camera, but I love it and I still use it all the time. I think I want it deeper in the crease. Like, there's just something missing. It's bothering me. Descend from the Ellis palette. One thing that's stinky about having to wear glasses is that when I take my glasses off to do my makeup that I love doing, I get optic migraines. So I'm gonna have to take some ibuprofen. Okay, hopefully that's enough. If I don't like it again later, I'll just do more. I did not consider the uncanny valley effect that putting a spot right on my eyes would give, but oh, that is kind of freaky. Maybe I'm a little unapproachable now. Just kidding. I'm gonna try like hell just to do concealer. but this may end up turning into a full face. I personally really like a little underpaint moment. Oh man, I just remembered that I need to cut my bangs, but the redness right here I feel like is what's throwing it. I really don't want to do that much concealer, but it's happening now. Is this the right shade? Yes. I'm just gonna do a little bit, dot dot, not a lot, you know? All of my sponges and powder puffs. My phone died, but I'm back and this is the finished look and I'm very happy with it. I think it's very cute and very sly. I'm kind of bummed because I wanted to do my hair in a cute style. One of my mutuals on TikTok always does her hair so cute. Her name is Malthra and her hair just is, she has the best styles. Unfortunately, I'm a little rusty in my hair practice today. So we're just, you know, we're keeping it simple. We're going natural. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have to go finish getting ready for work. Oh, before I go, I have a new product to rave about and it's this Tarte Maracuja Plumping Lip Oil. It's so pretty. It's not sticky. Not sticky. The shade is Buffed Rose and I feel like it looks very natural. It's very pretty. I just like it a lot. I also feel like it's very hydrating and just gives that fullness back to the lips. I personally don't feel like the plumping is outrageous. It kind of, I'm someone who really enjoys like mint chapstick, so it kind of just feels like a less intense version of mint chapstick. But with that, I need to finish getting dressed. I love you guys so much. Be safe, make good choices. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.